Now we will discuss about another very important concept in tree called tree traversal. What exactly is tree traversal? This is a very well understood and simple concept, but let us understand that. A traversal of tree is a systematic way of accessing or visiting all the nodes in the tree. So, how do you go from one node to another node in a systematic way? That is what called traversing the tree. And then there are three basic traversal schemes. One is called pre-order, other is called in-order, and next is called post-order. So there are three different order: pre-order, in-order, and post-order. How does the pre-order works? A pre-order traversal has three steps for a non-empty tree. So how it works is very simple. First it will process the root, then nodes in the left subtree with a recursive call, and then nodes in the right subtree with a recursive call. So what happens is that first it will do A, then B, because see, it has processed the root, so it has done this one, okay? So first it will do, let us check, process the root, so it will do this one, okay? Now process the nodes in the left subtree with a recursive call. Left subtree, what is the left subtree? This one. So after it has done the root, nodes in the left subtree with a recursive call. So again it will come here and process the root nodes in this one, and it will start with this one, B. And when it will do B, what it will do? Again process in the left subtree, this one, process in this subtree. Again here it will start with D. So basically what it says is that process the root, process the nodes in the left subtree with a recursive call, and then nodes in the right subtree with a recursive call. So once it is done, A, B, D, like this, C, then again come back and then do this one. The source code for this one is given here, or algorithm for binary pre-order traversal. First it will do, it is a recursive call. If you see that it is using recursion, so the method name is binary pre-order and it uses the recursion. The only thing it is passing is the argument different, left child and right child. When he is doing the recursively, he is passing this one as recursively. When it is doing the right child recursively, he is passing the reference to the right child. First it is start with this one. Now if this one is itself a leaf, then nothing to do. If it is not a leaf node, then take the left child and start this recursively, and when it will be completing this whole one, then it will go to the right child and start it recursively. So this is the algorithm for binary search tree pre-order traversal. What I would suggest is that please write this code and print the element of the binary search tree using pre-order traversal. So basically this is the algorithm for binary pre-order. What I would suggest is that you should definitely write a program in C or C++ or Java or whatever language you are comfortable with, Python, Fortran, I don't know which language you are comfortable, but please try to print this one and test it out that whether the pre-order is working properly or not. So let me just revisit this, process the root, then go into the subtree. So it goes like this. So it always goes left, 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 and then this one. Now pre-order traversal is also used. There is a use case for this. What is the use of pre-order traversal? Pre-order traversal can be used to solve the mathematical expression problem. Using pre-order traversal of a binary tree, it can be used to solve expression evaluation problem. Okay, and here is the course algorithm to solve that expression evaluation using pre-order traversal. Now there is a in-order traversal. What exactly happened in in-order traversal? In this one, first we'll go and do in the nodes process the nodes in the left subtree with recursive call. See, always there is a right subtree with a recursive call, left subtree with a recursive call. Okay, so first left subtree with a recursive call. So I will not process A. First I will go this one and process with a recursive call. But in this one again I will not process this, and I will process this one first, and then I will come to this one. In this subtree again I will not process this one, I will process the left subtree. When I reach a left subtree where there is nothing but the root only, then I will process it. And once this one is processed, I will process this root, and then I will go to the right subtree of this one, that is this one. Once this subtree is done, I will process this one. And once this one is done and the left subtree is done, then you will process this one. And once this whole subtree is done, you will process this one. Okay? So that is the sequence it goes, and once it is done this one, then you will come to this subtree, and you will do recursively the same concept for the in-order traversal. Here is the algorithm for in-order traversal. Please convert it into C, C++ or Java and try to print a binary tree and see if this algorithm is correct or not. In-order traversal can be used as well to evaluate the expression problem. Now the question is, which one is better? This is an assignment for you. Okay? Now next one is post-order traversal. Here it works is that the root is processed at the end. First left subtree, then right subtree, and then the root. In this case, what happens is that the root node of the tree always get processed at the end. Okay? Left subtree, right subtree, and then the root.